Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to tubrepairstore.com. Today we're going to show you what our large wall repair kit will do. This is pretty small compared to what our actual large wall repair kit will do, but it'll be more than enough. It'll save this tub. So you see there I'm sanding and scuffing and prepping the surface. Okay, now here I'm just going to use the finish putty. These are minor cosmetic repairs, so just using the finish putty, and I'm just hand sanding because that finish putty sands pretty easily. Okay, so while that's setting up, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my color. Here what I'm doing is this tub was like a lot more yellow, kind of a goldish and a little darker. It was really kind of a faded tub, so it was kind of a difficult color match. We don't include red in our kits, but we use red dye like under 1% of the time. So that's what we're doing here. But you see how I just add color, I do a swatch, I add color, I do a swatch. Blow dry it for about 15 seconds in between swatches, just to let that color dry a little bit, because it's going to darken down as it dries. Okay, I've got my solution, my resin all mixed up. Now I'm adding it to the pre-valve. Now notice in the beginning there, I pulled the filter off the straw of the pre-valve. That prevents it from clogging. It will clog more times if that filter's not removed. Here I'm just fogging it on. I'm blow drying it 15-20 seconds, probably more like 30 or 45 seconds in between, and then you'll notice I'm kind of feathering out the edges. Now the camera will highlight your colors, so trust me, this tub did look very good when it was done. You may be able to see the color a little bit, but you notice how I kind of fogged it, or kind of feathered it out there with the sprayer. So after you finish spraying and you know your product's good, it's set, you're done, you clean out the pre-valve. This is a handy little tool to have around. You can use it again later. The pre-valves will spray a long time, so just clean it out, and then when you're finished, put it away. Now you see how this tub is actually multiple colors. It's very faded, very worn, but you see there, like, that looks good. The customer was very pleased with this repair. Saved them a lot of money. Got them a new renter in there. So visit tubrepairstore.com. Get your kit today.